So I've just finished filming a huge product haul. I spent a lot of money on products. To be honest, it's not even a lot of money. When you do the maths, it just actually makes sense. So some of the products I have here are from Garnier. Focus. Garnier. I've got Superdrug. Oh dear, slid out of my hand, fam. Superdrug. This is my camera. I don't know how to focus it till this day. Superdrug's own brand avocado manuka honey. I've got a ton of Orcas Maui moisture brand. Like all the like colourful stuff is at Maui. Well, some of it. I think there's some even hidden away. But yeah, got some Tresemme, an OG over there. Palmer's over there. OGX over there. Maui. Garnier. I've got some L'Oreal somewhere. I do not know where I've put them. Where is the L'Oreal? Bam! Yeah. Did you take the L'Oreal? Oh, it's here. Sorry. There's L'Oreal. But yes, and I have ordered some pizza. Let's see. Look at the thing. It's so. What is that on my head, please? So I've ordered some pizza as well from Papa John's. If you don't know, I am plant-based. I'm a vegan. So let's have a look at what I've ordered from Papa John's. Let's go. You're so zoomed into my face right now. It's a joke. Oh. So this is Papa John's, and we got some, what do they call it? Cheese, fake cheese. We've had it before. It's all right. Before they had the fake cheese. We used to just get normal Papa John's with no cheese. This looks so legit. Like the last time I got it, I was like to my sisters, I think they might have accidentally put cheese on it, but no, that's not the case. This one is called the large vegan hot pepper. Tasty with the garlic sauce. The garlic sauce is also vegan. Love this stuff. So the next pizza we have, let me close this, from Papa John's. This looks like proper cheese. It's not. This is called the Greek. We got olives. I don't like olives, but I eat them if I have to. This is what it looks like. It looks so like real cheese. It's quite scary. Did they put garlic in that one? Yeah, they did. And the last but not the least is the vegan garden party, like that. Yeah. So I'm gonna eat this now. I'm gonna eat this now. Yes. I'm just eating my pizza. It's Gordiana. It's tasty. Yeah, my sister said she went to a restaurant yesterday and it was just absolute, what did you say? It's hair.
Airy.
The food was, how can the food be airy, please? God forbid.
I was hungry straight after in it. And
what did you get?
I basically got a lasagna and it was in a very small bowl.
God forbid.
And then she got like a salad thing.
And you, salad though?
No, but both of us was hungry. It was basically like I just hadn't eaten.
And these, no, sorry mate. And these restaurants, vegan restaurants, they get away with it. They charge you.
I've never seen this in this is my first restaurant that I felt this way.
Even as compared to a meat eater.
Yeah.
Years ago, I went to Nobu. I left that place that I could have eaten a whole bag of chips. You saw this gourmet, posh restaurant.
Yeah, it was quite posh.
What's it called? I don't know that. What's that one, black and yellow or something?
Oh, I don't know that one.
Excuse me. Yeah. So before we ordered pizzas and before I started to vlog, my other sister and I were watching stuff about the black hair industry in the Americas, and the United States of America to be precise, not just the Americas. And it's just quite shocking that the black hair industry in America is worth about $2.5 billion. That doesn't include wigs, heat tools, buying products from hair salons, getting your hair styled, and we as black people do not benefit from such a lucrative industry. I came across some stats and I think it's about 900 million. The black hair space brings about 900 million. In the UK, we spend about 900 million on hair. I'm sure that number is a conservative estimate. My lights in the background. If you want lights to film, check the comments down below. So it's just quite shocking, really, and we need more black women, you know, doing stuff relating to hair care, especially my sisters in the UK, in the EU. We need you, Frenchie. We need you, Miss Dutch. Portugal, UK represent. Now, if you're a UK based naturalista, comment below. It'll be nice to connect with you. My hand is hicking me. I want to eat my pizza in peace, so I'm gonna leave you guys. So it was a quick vlog. And my sister's going for a walk now that I'm not following her to. Look how I'm looking yellow. Hello, where's my melanin going? Anyway, yeah, so I'm gonna go now. Have a good day. Right. Bye for the vlog. Want to say hello to the camera? No? No. No, Mom. I'll link my sister's videos, channels up here or down below, and her blog, Adamant Harder Than Flint. Bye, guys.